Fix Instagram, try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this error message which says try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. If you're having this message on your Instagram account, follow this video step by step. I will help you to fix this problem. So the method number one, after you open up now your mobile phone like this now, go ahead and open the Instagram app. Go to this menu. Go to this menu at the top again. Now scroll all the way to down. Go to this help and support, this one. Under the help and support, tap on this account status. So under this account status, now tap on this. As you can see now, you have to verify all this verification. So you may likely get this last one is not verified on your account. That's the most reason why Instagram gives this error message for the people. So go and verify all this verification. After you finish this one, your problem will be solved. But if you try this one and stop and still you are getting the error message, now try the method number two. So the method number two is now open up now your Instagram app like this now. After you open the Instagram app like this now, scroll all the way to down, go to the menu. After you come to the menu section, scroll all the way to down and tap on this logout button. Now go ahead and log out on your Instagram. After you log out on your Instagram, now go back and go and open up your Play Store and or our App Store. Now go and open the Play Store, App Store and update your Instagram app. After you update the Instagram app now before you open the Instagram app, restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone, now go back and log in again. So after you log in again, from there your problem will solve. But if you log in again and still you are getting the error message, all you have to do now try the last method. So the last method to fix this problem is now go ahead now and change the internet connection. If you are using poor internet connection, sometimes gives you this error. So if you are using Wi-Fi, please go and change the Wi-Fi to another Wi-Fi, or if you are using your mobile data, please go and change it to another mobile data. So go and switch it to like Wi-Fi and try again. So after you change the internet connection, now all you have to do now go and open the Instagram app like this. Now tap on this menu at your profile. After you come to your profile, now go to this menu at the top. After you come to the menu, scroll all the way to down and go to this help and support, this one, help center. Under the help, now go and report a problem. Tap on this continue button. Tap on this option. So in this option now, tap on this upload button. Make sure to take a screenshot of the message that you are getting. Take a screenshot of the error message that you are getting. Upload button. So after you upload now, go and upload the screenshot like this one. After you upload the screenshot will be like this one. So now in this option now, go and type in a message like this. Please release my account. Release my account. I am not a robot, like this one. Go and type in a message like this. Please release my account. I'm not a robot. Tap on this send button. After you tap on this send button, from there the message will reach Instagram. So from there you need now you need to stop doing three things. You need to stop following people, and you need to stop liking other people's posts, and you need to stop like commenting on other people. Stop following, stop liking, and stop commenting. After you do these three things, from there your problem will be solved. From there you can just wait for like 3 days or 2 days. From there your problem will be solved. But if you try all this method and still you're having this problem, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.